Ryan's tracking our forecast. We'll be talking about travel in just a moment because we're kind of in the thick of the travel time for the holiday week.
I'm craving turkey.
This is your favorite holiday.
It is.
So I think you think about it weeks ahead of time.
Right.
Yeah.
And you had a turkey dinner over the weekend.
Yeah, I had
right?
early Thanksgiving with my family on Saturday. We had turkey. It was wonderful.
Nice.
So I've had my fix.
Are you still working through the leftovers? Or?
I am.
Yeah. Yeah.
I have another day or so maybe.
Yeah.
But to me, that's the best part. I want to pick through it for a few days.
Exactly. Yeah. No, I'm looking
You're
forward
ready
to
for it.
Thursday. It's lunchtime and I'm hungry. Take a look at the radar right now. We don't have much falling, I don't think at least. The air is pretty dry, so despite the fact the radar shows some showers up here, this is likely the beam several thousand feet above the ground hitting some precipitation. So maybe some sprinkles or very light showers, but other than that, it's mainly dry right now. That said, the clouds are rolling in, and we have a south to southwest wind right now, and that's helping warm us up too. It's 47 Bar Harbor and Rockland, 45 in Portland, 49 in Portsmouth, and that milder air will keep spreading north overnight tonight. Clouds in place now, but as we look off to the west, you can see this band of steadier rain moving through the Ohio Valley. This sweeps through tonight, and then there's a cold front back to the west that comes through tomorrow night. The majority of our precipitation, though, will come in overnight with that first round. So overnight tonight, through the afternoon, I should say, clouds may briefly thin a bit. Otherwise, rain moving in around 8, 9 o'clock, Portland south, and then after midnight through the rest of the state. Temperatures through the night, with this wind coming in out of the south, actually go up. That's why we're not concerned about any snow. Could be a little pocket or two of freezing rain, but I don't think it's going to be much of a problem tonight. By 6 in the morning, this is shifting to the east. The only spot in the state first thing tomorrow morning where it could be a little icy would be up over the county. You see Caribou at 32. But at the same time, the rest of us are in the 40s to around 50 tomorrow morning. It's a mild day, a little damp to start. A lot of clouds, and this particular model sends 50s all the way into central Maine tomorrow. Might be a little challenging to get that warm there, but still upper 40s to around 50 across the interior, and then getting into the 50s tomorrow along the coastline. Tomorrow night, that cold front comes in with one more round of rain very early on Thanksgiving morning, and then we'll clear out and the wind picks up on Thanksgiving Day as well. So if you do have any plans for turkey trots, it's a little damp, but we clear out, and then the wind really picks up midday into the afternoon. And it gets cold to end the day on Thursday, and that chilly air really builds in for Friday and Saturday, especially when highs will only be in the 30s. Here's the marine forecast for the afternoon. Seas 3 to 5 feet. Gale watch is up on the backside of that cold front for Thursday night, Friday, as the wind will really pick up. So it's mostly cloudy today, temperatures mainly in the 40s, but tonight the temperatures actually trend upward, which is why we're dealing with mostly rain. Thursday we clear out. It's a blustery day. Could be some flurries on Friday. Saturday looks like the coldest day in the forecast. And there's a chance, Brian, for some rain or snow on Sunday. Okay. Right now, though, it just doesn't look like a big system.
Okay. Hopefully it'll be enough when we all just say, oh, it looked nice.
Exactly.
Just a touch for the end of the weekend. All right, Ryan, thank you.
You're welcome.